Welcome back to MS Car Reviews. Today we're diving into something truly out of the ordinary, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. That's right, the pinnacle of automotive luxury has entered the motorhome space. And as you'd expect from Rolls-Royce, it's not just about mobility, it's about redefining what it means to travel in style. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is as majestic as you'd imagine. It carries the brand's iconic design elements, including the massive Pantheon grille, laser-cut LED headlamps, and of course, the spirit of ecstasy, which rises silently from the hood. The proportions are huge, nearly 35 feet in length, but thanks to flawless lines, flowing bodywork, and custom paint finishes, it manages to look elegant instead of bulky. The two-tone paint scheme and polished chrome accents give it the unmistakable Rolls-Royce silhouette, even in this grand form. The 24-inch wheels feature a self-writing Rolls-Royce logo, and the side panels slide out to expand the living space when parked, making it not just a motorhome, but a luxury suite on the road. Moving inside, you're instantly transported into a world of handcrafted excellence. The cabin is designed more like a high-end yacht than a vehicle. The living area features full-grain leather upholstery, real walnut and ebony wood trim, and even crystal detailing throughout. The front lounge includes reclining massage chairs, a retractable 55-inch OLED TV, and a built-in champagne chiller. Every inch is touch-controlled, and ambient lighting sets the perfect mood whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-tier Miele appliances, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator. Custom cabinetry with soft close mechanisms and marble countertops complete the space. The bedroom at the rear features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, suede-lined walls, and full blackout curtains controlled by voice commands. There's even a dressing area with a built-in vanity mirror and personalized lighting settings. The bathroom rivals that of a five-star suite, full walk-in rainfall shower, heated ceramic floors, and gold-plated fixtures. When it comes to performance, Rolls-Royce didn't hold back. Underneath, it's powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid setup, producing over 700 horsepower, paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive. Despite its massive size, the ride is whisper quiet and incredibly smooth, thanks to the next-generation air suspension system. The electric assistance allows for silent departures and near-invisible gear shifts, while the satellite-guided transmission adjusts shifts and suspension based on upcoming road conditions. It's less like driving a motorhome and more like piloting a luxury yacht. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at $2.6 million, and that's before any bespoke customization, which can easily push the price well past the $3 million mark. But for those who want the ultimate in road travel luxury, with zero compromises, this is as high as the bar goes. Thanks for watching MS Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more luxury automotive content. See you in the next one.